Let it sit on here for a little bit. Greaser. Hey John, what's going on? Okay. Alright, we'll let it sit there for a minute and get the, and then we'll wash it down. Shoot it again if we need to.
Maybe some douchebag. I don't know who,
Right now, there's some really stuck on grime on here, so the grease is just breaking it up a little bit. I'm using this little brush, almost borderline toothbrushing this thing clean, just so we can get some of this grime off, so we make sure that the surface is clean for when we put a little coat of Por 15 on top of it. So we're gonna clean it off and then kind of wash it down, remove all our bushings, and then just get the Por 15 ready, put on there so we don't get any rust when we do install it back on our 1993 Ford Fox body notch Mustang LX swap that we're doing with this IRS. Give us a little bit more control in the rear. Yeah, just knocking out some of this dust, garbage. Countless people who just, you know. Remove all that stuff. It's not that bad. Just get all this grease off.
yeah. I'm assuming it was a Craigslist buy because he didn't put them. But I don't know. No, he's got a little talent. I'll give him credit.
You would, Juan. You would. Old bushing out.
Animal with over 7.4 million. Library Lucy, that's Tom's cat. I'm not kidding.
Oh, it's just the housing for it. So it gives you the spacer so you can bring out the. So,
To remove it?
yep. Oh.
Is that a tool?
Yeah.
It's made out of paper.
They made this, so we needed this. This is the one we needed to get
Those little guys out?
these right here.
Who made this? Spacer size on this side to pull them out.
Yeah, so
But it'll work for multiple.
yeah.
That's it, I'm making a puppy movie.
Alright, let's see if you sit on there for a minute and see what it does.
Can we get Saul, the world's greatest puppy trainer, De Laurentiis? He's the best there is.
I don't take it. Yeah, we'll be able to clean these up in no time. Tough.
And because he never did cocaine with his dad, I wish I was could with that. Hey, happy birthday.
with Sean.
And then they're like, what? You don't want
Doesn't give us any problems. Old bushing out. This is up and up in there for us to. Nothing too serious. I guess a little bit of heat does work a lot better on this side, doesn't it? There it is. Scrape this off. So basically what we did, these are the lower control arm bushings, or what they call the shells. Now, these shells contain these bushings. So a lot of times, these are all just rubber. You know, you can buy them stock at any auto parts store. So they're in here, right? So the problem with it, it gives you a very wobbly ride or unstable ride. So we're going to go with the polyurethane stuff. So for the instructions that we got on our components here, for the replacement of the bushings to the control arms, the lower control arms, we removed the whole thing just so we don't damage the shell. Then we just cooked it out, pushed it out. We're going to clean it up, push it back in, and put the new polyurethane bushing in, and getting rid of this old rubber one. This will sit here, and then we just cleaned up the bottom ones. We're going to rip off the other bushings on those and get them back on there. Now that we got all the bushings out, we got all the rubber mounts out, all the rubber bushings, we got them all out. We're going to be ready to get our polyurethane stuff in here, but we're going to have to clean this out. Get all this excess rubber right out of here, clean them out real good. We're going to scuff up our little member back here, our IRS member. We're going to just get all this extra, like, grease right here, all this right here. Get all this stuff off. And just leave it real nice and smooth. And we're going to put a little bit of Pour 15 on all these bald spots, just get it nice cleaned up. Then we're going to put on our new polyurethane bushings. Give it a nice clear coat maybe, and then slap it back on our 93. Keep in touch, guys.